Well, today is the deadline for workers at two of Iowa's largest health systems to get the COVID vaccine.
UnityPoint and MercyOne announced in early August all staff must be vaccinated against COVID and originally said those who don't are in danger of losing their jobs. Now, you may recall these scenes as nearly 300 healthcare workers protested that mandate outside Methodist Hospital and other healthcare places in August. But Republican lawmakers and Governor Kim Reynolds passed a new law last week protecting those unvaccinated workers from being fired.
Local 5's Carson J.S. Reichart joins us in studio and reports on the law's impact on companies.
Yeah, Stephanie, both of those healthcare providers have changed their plans. No one is going to be packing their bags today as companies figure out how they'll change their approach moving forward.
In a statement to Local 5, UnityPoint Health told me that unvaccinated staff members will be placed on administrative leave rather than being fired while the company reconsiders religious exemptions. Meanwhile, MercyOne is extending their vaccination deadline to November 12th. Employees will have to submit their proof of vaccination or file for an exemption by then. But what qualifies as a religious exemption? A lawyer I spoke to says it's not as clear as you might think.
It just seems to say that if there is a religious tenet or belief that's opposite, then you file a statement. It doesn't seem to have the same requirements that the Iowa Civil Rights Act does.
That gray area could lead to challenges for the bill. Leonard Bates, an attorney with Newkirk Zwagerman, explains why.
That business owners with sincerely held religious beliefs, such as love thy neighbor, who want to make sure that they have a safe environment for their employees and for their customers by enforcing vaccine mandates, they have the standing to potentially challenge this law.
There may be another source of conflict too: federal law. In September, President Biden signed an executive order requiring all employers with over 100 employees to implement vaccine mandates or weekly testing.
President Biden's executive order does carve out the possibility for there to be religious exemptions. The mistake of this Iowa law is trying to do a one-size-fits-all and not acknowledge that it might.
One last important detail to this bill. If an employee is fired for refusing a COVID vaccine without an exemption, they will still be eligible for unemployment benefits. In studio, Carson J.S. Reichart, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.
All right, Carson, thank you. And the new law had pushback from the business industry. Iowa's largest business association, representing 330,000 employees, actually opposed it, saying employers are now at risk of possibly facing federal penalties of up to $14,000 per violation.